Hey, I'm so excited to be here. And it is bright, it is shining, the sun is out, the snow is melting. You can see it right there, right there. The snow is melting, and you know what? It's a new year, it's a new day, and there is no reason why you shouldn't be making money in 2021. I know everything is going left or right for you, and I believe that it's going right for you. So that is so good. So have a new income stream if you've not had one yet. If you've not started trading yet, it is so simple. Get out your phone right now. You need to learn what cryptocurrency is, Bitcoin and stock. But I'm not gonna talk about all that today. I just wanted to share with you how to trade stocks from your phone, right from your phone. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm so excited to be here. Google and type in cashapp. This is cashapp. This is how it looks like. And type in cashapp and download the app. After you download the app, you will click on it, and once you click on it, you will be asked to this is my profile picture. You will be asked to fill out your cashapp, your personal information. You would be asked to, you would check out your privacy and security. There is notifications and documents. This is what you will find on your first page. So make sure you fill out this personal information and have your cash tag and stuff like that. All right. So next, after you're done, you'll actually be asked to connect your cash app to your bank account or to your debit card or your credit card. After you're done that, you can skip that stage, but it is important. So after you are done with that, you can so they will give you a code, a cash. This is really so important actually when you're buying Bitcoin, but this is not what we're gonna be talking about. So after you fill out your personal information, you can have a picture on there, and that is my picture. It is Deuteronomy 1:11, one of my favorite scriptures and stuff. So you have your profile picture there. This is basically how your cash app would look like. I'm not going to show you my routing, because after you have your cash app, on the first page it does show your routing number and your account number. Okay, so basically you will look below and you can see this is what is my cash app right now, and there is a card sign, there is a dollar sign, and there is a Bitcoin sign. Just go to your Bitcoin sign, and this is what would appear. Basically, you'd have two options, the stocks and Bitcoin, and you would want to choose what you want to invest in. So if you click on Bitcoin, it will just come down. You will see on your page, on your phone page, you will see the Bitcoin and the stocks, and so there is an icon here for buying and selling. So you would choose that you want to buy Bitcoin, and it gives you options, but if you have a particular amount, you will just click on here and put on the amount. Buy Bitcoin, standard one, time order, and stuff like that. So I did buy Bitcoin a while ago, and I'm just showing you. I bought it a long time. I bought actually $10. I bought $10 of Bitcoin. That was last year around October, but this year my Bitcoin grew actually. See, Bitcoin owned. Let me show you. Okay, so I bought Bitcoin, $10 on my Cash App, like in October 22nd, and I added in $10 and $10, but when I went to check, it was actually $30. So it had tripled, and that is just a simple way to make extra cash. You understand? So if I had invested in Bitcoin much more, like if I had $1,000, when I went to check in January, it would have been like $3,000. So this is not all my investment. This is just a small portion, and I just want to show you it's not a good idea to actually do a lot or so much money on your phone simply because you are limited to around $7,000 a week. You cannot transfer. I do not believe you can transfer. Yes, they have Bitcoin limits. You can only have 100. Actually, that's a lot of money. 100,000 per week. You can sell unlimited, and you can withdraw $2,000 per day. So that's that. And if you want, you can go and buy stocks. And so if you have a particular stock in mind, because they will give you options on your phone, you can go and you can go to your search bar and type in what you would like. So for example, if you like Tesla, if you have Tesla in mind, you just click on Tesla, and you can see I bought like $10, I believe, of Tesla. So this is Tesla. This is what comes up on your phone. You can buy it just as you bought Bitcoin. You can buy the Tesla buy, and yeah, there you go. So you can see that I bought Tesla $10 in January and $10 in the same month, January, and shares owned, share per price, and the symbol, the company value. So anyways, you can see my investment is $20 and the total gain is 0.06. So this is just to show you can earn passive income. So well, you have to be really smart in what you're looking at and what you're looking to invest. I hope that was so helpful for those people who've not started trading from your phone, or you do not know how to trade. This is a very simple way on how to start trading. So you can buy just $5 to $10 and let it sit there for a while, and you can see as you learn about stocks and as you learn about Bitcoin. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and tell me, have you started trading? Are you trading, or where are you, and what are your platform now? For those international people who do not have Cash App, do not worry, simply because I understand Cash App is not everywhere. It's actually for Americans, and I will write on my description below on what other platforms that are actually international that you can use to start trading 101. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video.